In this video, you'll explore some of the specific behaviors associated with effective followership. To start, effective followers demonstrate high levels of professionalism. This includes more than how they dress. It also means building genuine relationships with their leaders, producing high-quality work, going above and beyond the minimum requirements of their role, and helping their coworkers. Other behaviors include arriving on time, solving a problem no one wants to tackle, managing their emotional reactions, and upholding ethical standards. Second, effective followers expand the size of their social networks. They learn from their colleagues, turn to them for guidance and support, and share resources. They do this by being open to meeting new people, joining networking groups, and using management by walking around. By talking with other people, they're exposed to new perspectives and learn more about how the system works. Third, effective followers are also skilled at managing up, at finding ways of working more effectively with their leaders so that both parties succeed. It involves sharing information with their leaders, respectfully questioning their assumptions, and knowing what they want from them. When the relationship between a leader and a follower is built on mutual trust and respect, both enjoy better outcomes. Here are a few things followers can do to manage up. Learn more about your leader, including their strengths and weaknesses, and preferred work style. Consider the processes, policies, and procedures they have to follow, the constraints and boundaries they have to work within, the resources at their disposal, and the decisions they make on a regular basis. Compound the impact of your leader's efforts by aligning yourself with their goals, sharing your ideas and feedback, and asking for what you need. One of the challenges with this strategy is finding the courage to use it. Followers tend to want to make their leaders happy, and managing up can sometimes be an uncomfortable thing to do. Plus, some bosses aren't open to being influenced by their followers. They don't want to be challenged and they're resistant to feedback. In these situations, managing up is more of a one-way process with the follower driving it. Regardless of the situation, they can influence their leaders, and they do have some power in the relationship. After all, leaders rely on followers to complete the required tasks and reach the group's goals. Fourth, effective followers are highly engaged in their role. They work well with others to get things done, actively participate in group activities, meetings, and discussions, and exchange knowledge and ideas with each other. Plus, they build their expert power through continuous learning, by keeping up on the latest trends, and developing the necessary competencies to adapt to these changes. Finally, they ask great questions to gather more information about how the organization works and how they contribute to the big picture.